Hello everyone, I'm Mohammed Bilag. Welcome to another awesome video. Today I want to share a very important information with you guys, okay? So a lot of you guys have been seeing me talking about Fudmart token. Some of you guys don't understand what I'm doing. Some do not bother to ask questions. Instead, they want to attack me. Some spread negative information without coming forward to ask me what are my intentions. Okay, first of all, I'm someone who doesn't give up. Okay, and when I say I'm someone who doesn't give up, what I mean is that for me to quit, it means that I've tried every single option to make something work. Okay, and first of all, we started with trying to give TBC the billion coin value through using TMT. It worked to an extent. Okay, we tried with TST. It worked to an extent, and each time we tried, the value keeps going down, community participation goes down, and liquidity also goes down. So price, community participation, and liquidity goes down. Okay, and all efforts to resurrect it is being left for myself to do, only with the support of few other people. Okay, so but what we are trying to do now is to create an environment where we can be in charge of our destiny. Okay, I've seen projects that get promoted on Sushiswap via what is called liquidity mining or farming. So what happens is that those tokens are paired with certain tokens, and the exchange promotes it and offers reward and incentive to those who buy those tokens and stake. Okay, so but for you to stake, you have to buy. So that action alone is creating buying activity for those tokens, and they do this on a weekly basis. Like every week they have what is called sushi menu of the week. They bring out certain tokens you don't know that exist and give them a platform for them to actually get liquidity. Okay, so that is what we are adopting on the Fudmart swap. Fudmart swap is going to be launched in March. Okay, probably second week of March. Okay, as we get closer to March, I will give you guys a fixed date. But what from the developers is that on 1st March it will be ready, but you know we have to do testing before we go full mainnet on you guys. Okay, so how does Fudmart swap and Fudmart token help TMT, TST, and TBC, or let's use Kringles? Well, this is how it helps it. Number one is that we are building the exchange on Binance Smart Chain. And when you're building it on Binance Smart Chain, it means that you have very low transaction fee. So for the users, it's very user friendly. So which means that $1, $2, or $5 can do significant transactions for you on the exchange. That's number one. Okay, so it's very cheaper right now than Ethereum. Ethereum has gotten to the point whereby institutions are flooding in. They are buying millions and thousands of transactions. But the little guy who is buying $100, $200, or even $50 is almost paying high fee as high as $8, or even higher than $8, because $8 probably when you do wallet to wallet transaction. Exchange transaction right now is about $12 minimum to as high as even $50 on aggregators. Okay, so it's ridiculous. Okay, so it's ridiculous, and that is why we are working to get our exchange on Binance Smart Chain. Number two is with the new TMT and TST, and also with the fork of, when I say fork, I mean FORK. Okay, with the fork of Kringles that is called wrapped Kringles. Okay, we are going to use that to list those tokens on the exchange as BEP20 tokens. Okay, and with that we can set up the market for it, build the market for it, okay, and at the same time create incentive programs. So which means that every single person who is a TMT holder, TST holder, or Kringle holder will have to participate in the liquidity mining program. Why is it important to participate in the liquidity mining program? The reason for that is that we will give you incentives, okay, for doing that. There will be reward or incentives for that, and at the same time, it gives investors confidence to come and invest in the trading pair. I get what I'm saying. So with that, even without swapping your coin, you are also getting rewarded because your coin is the base liquidity for the trading pairs that we're going to. When I say trading pairs, it means the tokens are going to trade with the tokens, the TST, TMT, and the Kringle are going to trade with another token. So combination of, let's say, TST FMT or TST USDT or TST BTC, that is what a trading pair is. But the actual trading pair will be made known once we launch our exchange. Okay, very, very important. Okay, so with that, if we have these liquidity mining programs, okay, it means that the price of these assets will improve. Now, it will not just improve because we've listed it on my exchange. No, the community has to be involved. The community has to be involved in making sure that awareness is created. That Dogecoin got a 3,000 increase or 300, I don't know whether it's 3,000 or 2,000 or 4,000 increase in price year to date, okay, was because community of investors went behind it. So if we as investors in TST, TMT, or Wrapped Kringle stand behind these coins and we'll go out there and we'll push it and we share the instant reward program with those who are investing, guess what? They will have to come and invest. You know what I'm saying? And because they know they are going to be, getting sweet APYs or interest rates on their investment, they will also tell their friends, and the friends will tell their friends. But if we do not move this as a community, we will remain stagnant as we were in the Ethereum ecosystem. I am one man, and only I alone cannot do the job that a community can do. Okay? So, I'll be laying out modalities as we get closer to our exchange, okay? So that I will lay out the modalities for TST to T and TMT to, move to the BEP20 token, okay? Now, on the flip side, for those who are involved in Kringle, okay, those who are involved in Kringle, starting from 8th February, okay, we will start the swap of Kringle for Wrapped Kringle. Okay, now why 8? The reason is so that I can create educational content for you guys to learn from. Okay, now this educational content is what will now educate you guys, like how to set up your wallet for Binance Smart Chain. Okay, how to how to add the Wrapped Kringle to your Trust wallet, because Trust wallet is going to play a major role. Okay, then it also involves educating you guys about liquidity mining and liquidity pool and liquidity mining. Okay, so it's very, very important because some of this information I'm going to give out for free. But when it comes to the Kringle to Wrapped Kringle swap, okay, it's not actually free. Okay, nothing good comes free when you're offering a Kringle swap at all. I've seen both sides, and I know that when you're offering free stuff, it comes with drama, it comes with people who don't understand, and it comes with people who don't care. Okay, so there will be a fee, Okay, but I will explain that to avoid confusion in this video. I'll explain that in the next videos I'm going to do about Kringle to wrap Kringle swap. Okay, all right guys, that's it for this video. I want to thank you guys for watching, and till I see you guys next time, take care and bye for now.